Hello everyone, welcome to 𝘱𝘬𝘗 Academy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss a new topic that is the latest current affair also we can say. That is the new project launched by government. It is called PAN 2.0 project. Now ये जो project है government ने इसको November 2024 में announce किया था. Now what is the latest news? ये जो PAN 2.0 का जो project है ये प्रोजेक्ट किस कंपनी को दिया है इसका डिटेल गवर्नमेंट ने अभी अनाउंस किया है. सो द PAN 2.0 डिटेल्स आर लाइक द प्रोजेक्ट इज नाउ गिवन टू अ कंपनी कॉल्ड 𝘱𝘧𝘢𝘬𝘳 and the total cost of the project is estimated to be 792 crore. So this was the news very recently announced by the government, that is on 7 August 2025. We have this in the newspapers. Now if you look at it, the main news is that 𝘱𝘧𝘢𝘬𝘳 awarded PAN 2.0 project. So basically we have to understand this whole news, this topic is related to the PAN card, right? Most of us use PAN card for filing income tax returns, depositing large sum of money in the bank, for doing major financial transaction. They say, what is your PAN card? Give the PAN card details. So the PAN card का now government ने क्या सोचा है? They are going to upgrade and introduce new technology and make all this into a like one place where you can have the platform for operation for financial transaction. So now if you look at the news, the 𝘱𝘧𝘢𝘬𝘳, it is a global consulting and digital solution company. अभी गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, इस कंपनी को ये PAN 2.0 का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है. So this company now will be dealing with this. Okay, it has been given by the Central Board of Direct Taxes, that is the CBDT. So basically they are going to work on the infrastructure of PAN card. Okay, so that is the basic concept and the news here. Now this whole PAN card 2.0 project, it is part of the government का initiative, what we call गवर्नमेंट टू सिटीजन या G2C इनिशिएटिव. नाउ इस इनिशिएटिव में गवर्नमेंट इज फोकसिंग ऑन टू टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स. वन इज द पैन कार्ड एंड अदर वन इज व्हाट वी कॉल द टैन कार्ड. नाउ यू माइट वंडर, ये पैन कार्ड ये टैन कार्ड इसमें क्या फर्क है, ये सब है क्या? सो नाउ लेट्स लुक एट इट हियर. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पैन एंड टैन? Now PAN card is basically, the full form is permanent account number. Normally the PAN card किसको गवर्नमेंट इशू करते हैं, मतलब द इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ये किसको इशू करते हैं? इट इज इशूड टू द टैक्स पेयर. सो जब जो आदमी टैक्स पेयर आदमी है वो फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन करता है या इनकम टैक्स को फाइल करना चाहता है, तब उसको PAN कार्ड की जरूरत होता है. Right? So we have the PAN card. What is the TAN card? The TAN card is basically tax का deduction या collection at source. Therefore it is called tax deduction या collection account number. It is normally issued to whom? ये कार्ड किसको गवर्नमेंट इशू करते हैं? It is normally issued to the companies या organizations where they deduct या collect tax at source. What do we call TDS and TCS? Tax deducted at source या tax collected at source. उस context में इनको क्या होता है, ये TAN का जरूरत होता है. Okay, so in this context please try to understand what is the PAN card and what is the TAN card. ये जो PAN 2.0 project है, it will deal with both the PAN and the TAN. Clear? So that is the news. So I have given here some extra information for your reading understanding point of view. If you look at the purpose of the PAN card, it is basically an identification number issued by income tax department. It is used for identifying what we can say financial transaction, like who is doing the transaction, which bank account, etc. It is also used for filing the income tax returns, like when you want to pay personal income tax, etc. On the other side we have the TAN. What is the TAN? TAN is basically the tax deduction and collection account number. It is also issued by the same Income Tax Department of India. It is issued for whom? To those who collect either TDS or TCS. TDS is tax deducted at source, like when you say collect some interest from your bank deposit, the bank will deduct some amount of money from your income. TCS is where, suppose you are working in a school, college or company where you are receiving certain amount of income, yeah, you are paying money to somebody, that time what happened? The tax collected at source itself, right? So these are what we can say, the TDS, yeah, TCS. Now if you look at here, the news, it happened in November 2024, that when the government actually approved the PAN 2.0 project. So from exam point of view, PAN 2.0 project का government ने approve किया, it was approved in November 2024. Now what is the news? The project has been given to a company, right, for the reformation, yeah, what we can say, infrastructure reform in the system. So this was the big news that time. PAN 2.0 cabinet decision they announced in November 2024. Now if you see this PAN 2.0, it is part of the government ka e-governance project, and so it will basically transform both the PAN and the TAN services, which just now I explained to you. Okay, so now ये जो PAN 2.0 project है, it is basically a technology based, okay, a transformation whereby the taxpayers, the tax collectors, yeah, the TDS, TCS, all these people will find it easier to do their services. That's the key point about this PAN and TAN 2.0 project. Okay, so you will have a single portal for all the PAN or TAN related services. It will be eco-friendly and paperless. That means fully it will be online network. Okay, and also जैसे government ने बोला है, the PAN will be issued free of cost with the quicker processing times, and also your personal data, your demographic data will be protected. They will not be revealing such information, and also there will be a call center and help desk if people have any query or if people have any issues. Now just a general knowledge also from exam point of view, इंडिया में पैन कार्ड हमने पहली बार कब लॉन्च किया था? इट वाज फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन 1972. ओके, जस्ट a GK point of view for various types of exam, it will be also useful to keep in mind. हमने पैन को कब इंट्रोड्यूस किया? So I am giving you here one MCQ for your practice and for preparation. So if you look at the option, which of the following statements is are correct? In November 2024, government approved the PAN 2.0. PAN and TAN are same and are issued by the RBI. PAN was first issued in 1961. Before issuing PAN, the income tax assessment was allotted a general index register number, earlier what we used to call GIR. That means before PAN we had a GIR. So which of these following options are correct? That you solve by yourself, right? Based on what we discussed, you can solve this question. Okay, so now this topic mostly from the prelims point of view आपको exam में आ सकता है, so you keep studying and keep updating yourself. If you have any query or you want to contact Bhadra IAS Academy, you can call us at 8638391721 and keep watching our videos. We will come out with more and more current affair updates for exam preparation. Thank you.